Hi guys, it's me Cynthia, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the life of a scammer, of a slime scammer, and I'm gonna be the one who's reviewing it. And just keep in mind that this is a skit; it's not real; it's all fake. And yeah. So let's get onto the video. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, it's me Cynthia, and today I'm gonna show you guys a slime that I bought from an Instagram account. I think her Instagram was can you guys stop looking at me? Cupcake King Queen, I'm not sure, but I ordered a slime from her, and it was a watermelon scented slime. So it's scented like watermelon. Well, it's supposed to, and it's green, so, and it's supposed to be full, but it's not, as you can see. But yeah, let's review it.
Let me smell it. Watermelon.
It smells like Tide.
Watermelon with Tide.
Oh my god. Who do you smell that?
Wait.
Ew! Smell it, Julio. By the way, Julio's my brother and he's my cameraman, so.
It smells like Tide.
Yeah.
No, watermelon Tide.
Look down here, Julio. Okay, so first off, we're gonna do the poking test. Julio, you can get closer to me. I wasn't ready for that yet, but now let's do the bubble slime test. It's pretty stretchy. And now let's check the pops. Go ahead.
From the time I was 9 years old until I was probably 14, the majority of that time was spent in an orthodontist office.
Your mommy have
Less awkward in anyone's life.
But after you do that, it's not really stretchy, like it rips.
Meeting a bunch
As
of
you can
people,
see, like
I
it
already
rips.
noticed that my teeth were starting to shift, and parents spent all that money and it was kind of all for the waste. So when I heard a Smile Direct, I was so excited.
At Smile Direct Club, we believe everyone deserves a smile they'll love. That's why
And it's pretty hard to poke once you like stretch it.
aligners directly to you. We straighten most smiles in an average of 6 months.
It feels like a little bit of hard putty. Like it's like hard. No, it's like putty with mixed with slime. Like it's rippy, but it's like a little bit
They
stretchy.
also have a kit that they can ship directly to your house. There's really no excuse.
And there were also 2 extras with that.
Free. Our
So
smile
I'm just gonna
guarantee
put it back in the kit. And I also forgot to say there was a dent in the cap.
Having straight teeth is such a
Here.
great feeling.
Wow.
started at SmileDirectClub.com for as little as $80 a month.
Make that 3 extras. And there were only one thing that I liked. She gave me a flashlight for some reason. So blind. Okay. And she also gave me a travel box. And if you listen to that, that sounds very rattly. Ready?
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Oh,
So she gave me hair ties. I don't know if these are used. And a ring with a heart on it. And some bobby pins that have hair on it.
Organizations or different events.
Nice. I do like the case though. Oh, nice. Okay, and my third extra was I like this one, so I don't know if this is used or not, but it's very fluffy. You wanna feel it, Julio?
And then you're just gonna blow dry the crowns and it's gonna melt and go down. One of the
Is it
reasons
fluffy?
why I want to work at this summer camp is to
Rudy.
show that I am responsible.
But now we're gonna do some ASMR with the slime, so yeah.
ASMR.
Ready?
She's put in 110% without me.
Mommy, put it on the ball. Just wait 1 second.
It's not like I have to do the summer camp. It's I want to do the summer camp.
Turn it off for a moment.
So today we were in the elevator, and we were making a joke that we were just saying, "Hey, you motherfucker," and then we said that what if when we got out of the elevator, there was somebody there and they were like, "What the heck?" And they're like, "What'd you say to me?" Okay, so let's start. Ready?
Definitely on the first day, the kids have, I guess, crazy eyes. When they see me, they know that I'm not one of
best of slime, but
The most common question with all the kids is, why are you small? Or why is your head big? Those are, and I mean, I answer, it's not like I ignore, I just say that's how I was born. I know she's a kid, really, but not really in this capacity. She's really a teacher with us. Just looking at her. Penny's an napkin. In this capacity, she really comes across as being mature and dealing with me and kids. Bye. Had fun. Did you have fun? Mandy definitely sees the side of me that is mature and responsible, not the goofy side. I wish and want my parents to see that side of me.
it's getting really hard now.
Hey, how did your projects go? Or your whatever they were. Activities. Yep, every day. I don't always know what to do. How did she do? Well, I kept her around. She's been great, guys, as always.
Don't poke with one finger.
Might not be what she wants to do, but she's good. So.
Anna showing, the motivation and the work ethic and the will to want to
Looks
take
like
this
sat for a
summer
second.
and come work at this camp. Definitely, makes me extremely proud, and she got
His
up
face
every
though.
day on
Look
her
at the
own.
dude. Look at the dude. Look at the dude. Okay, Julio, hold my camera. Hold the camera.
Ready, be prepared for each day.
Ready, guys?
That says a lot about an
Do you want me to stretch it first or poke it first, Julio?
Poke it.
But once you let it sit, it's really stretchy.
Anna had to take some supplies today because she came up with some of the activities.
Did not have like every 15 hours or something where they're all trying to help them.
It was great. I mean, Miss King said that she, wonderful as always, and
She's a hard worker.
I think this is a
Okay,
great
let's
way
let it
for her
set one more
to
time.
really, show leadership, but be involved in leadership.
Hearing Amber tell me about how
Doo, 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 doo.
it's really,
Can you see that hair right there? We'll zoom in on that.
it's nice to know that.
She's 18.
Can you see that hair right there?
Responsibility of
Right there.
being able to do this on your own right away.
This would be good if we get her squared away with driving.
Yep.
First thing we hear is,
Oh, there's another here right there.
Tiny ones. Wait,
Oh,
Doing extremely well in
yeah, there's a black
what
dot.
if I spread it? Okay, do it.
is showing us for sure.
Okay.
And
Ready, guys? So now we're gonna do an Instagram swirl. So
taking off and
it's not that stretchy, but I'm trying to do as slow as I can so it won't rip. You know, I'm just gonna roll it. At this point, it's not gonna stretch. I don't usually do my Instagram swirls like this, but this is the only way that I'm gonna be able to do it and look like one. So
Yeah, today.
it's a
What?
little bit nicer to know after 2
What?
weeks of this that you have.
Just say it.
You have
this 3 minutes long.
be the leader versus
being a follower and being out of control.
out of control and you fall.
Okay.
If she's driving on her own, it will be much easier. All what you got to do is your school route.
Stop making your school route during the day when dad's at work. Mom can take over and do pipes and be at work.
I'm glad mom and dad are actually wanting to practice with me.
Rather doing good. When you prove yourself, you show yourself. People have great admiration for you and respect you.
My highest hope
Okay. So next, I'm gonna show you guys unsatisfying things that people do with their slime. Okay. So I have a good friend of mine, and her name is Madeline. She loves to do this, and I hate when she does it. So she so she rips it up, and she goes like that. She's ripping it up, and she rips it up into even smaller pieces, and then just keep watching. And she just keeps ripping it up. And then she goes like that, right? And then she goes like this. She picks it up and twirls it like this. She picks it up. She goes like that. She does it again. Picks it up. Goes like that. Picks it up. Goes like that. I just don't like it. And then at the end she just goes like this. I just don't like it. And another thing that she does is she goes like this. And then she goes like this. She goes to stretch it, and then she goes like this. And then she goes like that. And then that's how she does her bubbles. I mean, it does do it, but it's kind of like weird. Okay. And another unsatisfying thing is when people go like this and they freeze so they can get the thumbnail. And then they go. And then they go like this. Yeah, at this point this is over, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll make another video, probably painting or something, or with my brother, drawing competition or something. But you guys comment down below if what ideas you guys have, and yeah, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications, subscribe, and be part of the Cindy Squad. So yeah, bye.